Hi, my name's Adam Blaze, and I was the grip on Austin Peacock's Sound of Faith. I was not only grip, but I was one of the BTS people. Behind the scenes, I took videos, I took pictures, I captured moments in time as permanent memories. The hardest thing about preparing for the shoot was packing up all the equipment, because there's a lot, it's big, it's heavy, it's like a puzzle, and you have to put each piece perfectly or it won't work otherwise. One challenge that I guess I could take to other sets that I've learned from is being patient, because grip isn't always needed.
You got that, Charlie.
Probably my favorite picture that I took when Graham Long was about to hit Charlie Warren over the head with a rubber saxophone. The recreation of that one scene from Canada Hat. It was a lot of fun. It was a great set, and I'd love to do something like that again, whether I'm grip, whether I'm BTS, or whatever department I'm helping in. See you in the credits.